Hey, she got that license to carry.
She got what? Let me see.
She got that license.
Where's that gun at though?
Ain't got
Valentine's. It's Friday, guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Everybody say Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's. This is the one. It's for the vlog. What's up, Mom? Say hi, Mom.
Oh, hi there. Hey, I finally got my cameras back on. Look.
All right, guys. I'm gonna go to the shop. You got to clean up the car, smart car. Maybe take it out for the night. I don't know. ¿Sí está quitando?
Sí.
Sí.
¿Te sale?
Sí. Ah, porque en Christmas le puse luces.
Ajá.
El sticker se chingó, como todo agarró.
Pero sí, mire.
Ah, sí, fácil, sí sale.
Sí. Ahí me queda.
Una lavadita, ¿no?
Sí, una lavadita.
Ahí está. There's a smart car, guys. Getting all cleaned up. See what's going on in the shop. We got this other truck right here. It's a Duramax. This one's a 2010. We just put a motor in it. Get it all cleaned up. Washed up for the customer. Let's see. We got some more stuff here around the shop, guys. Suburban. I think they just sold it. Got a Duramax here. L5P. Doing a couple of color matching. Doing some engine work on it. We do offer color matching, guys. So if you want to come in and hang out and check it out, we can do it. Got another Jeep here. Somebody did a suspension. Supposedly this truck drives like crap. So this truck is gonna get repaired. Another one here. We just did a transmission on this one. They're coming in, guys. They're coming in. Another black one right here. Lots full of trucks. There goes the OBS on what they're doing to it. They're getting ready for a show, I guess. Oh, you see that? Repaint that right there. That didn't look good. Don't look good. We're gonna have to fix that. Somebody messed up on a paint. We'll get it back. We'll get it back going. Here it goes. The L5P, we just put a motor in, running good. Frank always making deals. Always making deals. What we got loaded up. We're probably making a $10,000 deal right now.
Yeah, just give me, like I said, just give me the heads up before, like the day before, or I mean, the day you're coming. Give me the heads up so I can let my guy know. All right. What on?
Goes our service truck right there. We do offer mobile service, guys, so if you need any service, we got the 2024 F350. We're gonna wrap this truck already. Go ahead and do a nice wrap here soon. Yeah. Another one they're working on here. Hopefully they got this truck ready. 2023 Coyote about to get color matched. Then we're gonna end up doing the bumpers. The customer wants it color match the grill, the mirrors. He wants to do the emblems on this one. Sebastian's about to put this rough country suspension on there. Yeah. What?
Rough country.
Yeah, rough country. Is that rough country?
Ride tech.
Right there. Is it a coilover kit?
We dropping it, not lifting it.
I think it's coilover. A little coilover. Those are kind of the bad ones. They say whenever you get the right tech, right? Always get the other ones, the upgraded ones. Because those are the ones. Those are right tech, right?
Yeah.
You want to get E-Bot. What is it?
Oh,
iBot, huh?
I bought spring.
Yeah. That's all right. It'll be good. He don't drive this truck. He ain't drove this truck in a year. He said. He's been in his garage.
Yeah.
Supercharged sleeper. This is a sleeper, guys. It is supercharged. Let's see. Oh, it is supercharged. Guys, comment if you think we need to get a big camera. Dylan loves this camera, but he wants
I
to
don't
get.
want an Osmo. I want a Sony A7 V.
He wants a Sony A7 V. Somebody could sponsor us. That'd be nice. If somebody wants to sponsor us, you know, drop the comment. We're gladly take a step. We do take cash app. There's another one here. We're taking a suspicion.
Alibaba camera.
Jacob running like he's going on. So. There's another one right here working on. This is 2016 Ford Platinum. This truck is undergoing complete suspension down. This one is gone. Let's see. Customer wants to redo whole suspension. We're gonna redo power coat. We're gonna do everything on this truck. Redo the whole rear end. Axles are messed up. We're gonna go ahead and replace all that information. Today's is Friday. We're doing a small little log around the shop. What's going on around the shop? Justin, where's your motor at, Justin? Oh, now you think you clean with this motor. Justin, this motor's gonna be worth more than your truck, bro.
Yeah, that's the second person that tells you that, buddy.
The second I brought the head is that truck doubled in value.
Bro,
That's the second hater
no,
that says that.
nah.
Huh?
That's the second hater that says that.
Who's the first?
He's real close by.
He's probably like six.
Hey Frank, but that sucker is nice.
Yeah, I don't know why he's gonna put it in that piece of shit.
Dang. What the heck, bro?
I'll get it.
Dang, Justin.
This piece of shit is straight off, okay?
Look. Once that motor gets put in, the miles shoot down to 26,000 miles. 26,000 miles. That's how much that.
What do you think? What do you think, bro?
It's a pile of dookie.
You think it's that piece of dirt in it?
Ah, bro, why you gonna think it's a pot of dookie,
It's a
bro?
shined up piece of doo-doo. Shined up piece of doo-doo.
Hey, who sold his seats out of there? Who sold them? Bro, somebody sold your seats, bro.
Nobody wanted the boo-boo
Man.
ass seats.
Justin.
I don't know. I heard a lot of things been taken off that truck.
Hey, I said he wants to short bet it.
Oh.
Justin, if I was you, look, don't. I mean, hold on, look. If I was you, I would honestly do what I'm gonna think. What I'm gonna tell you what to do. I would put a dually bed on it, right? Put the front hub and make it a dually. Bro, you can make it a dually easy, right? Easy.
That's
Yeah.
F350 already.
You can make it a dually. Easy. We have the rear end. Bro, it looks sick. I'll get you some 26s. I'll tell American Force to sponsor you some.
Alright, yeah. Come on, let's go. I'll
Do it right now?
Yeah, do it right now.
Put the bed on right now?
What do you do? Let me see, do it. Let me see. You see that dude that does it?
Oh, he fucking could.
Hey, go. Bro,
He stays recording.
hey, but he wants to change it to a dually.
Huh?
Wants to change that to a dually.
Dually conversion?
It's easy.
Super simple.
This motor's super clean. We just installed a motor on this one, guys. Motor was just installed. It's an L5P. If you need engine work, you contact us at Diesel Dallas. You can send us a DM, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You can set it anywhere. But today's Friday, Valentine's Day, and let's go ahead and show you around the trucks. We got trucks everywhere. Got a Jeep. This is a Denali. GMC Denali. Another Ram. Another Jeep. This is a Jeep diesel. No checking no chicken light. Let's just drive it, and then see how it goes. Drive it for about 10 minutes, turn it off. Stop, 5 minutes, turn it off, stop, turn it off, turn it off. You know what I mean? We gotta just see if the check-in light comes on. There you go. Guys, I got this 2016 Ford F-250. Check it out. It's got some miles on it, but we're gonna put a rebuilt motor in it. This truck's gonna be $16,000. It is a 2016 four-wheel drive 6.7 diesel. This truck is loaded up. It's a 350. I'm sorry. It's a 350. You got the big radio, big dash, sunroof, big console. We're gonna sell this truck for $16,000. $16,000, guys. Four-wheel drive, short bed, diesel. So you want this truck, hit us a DM, because I guarantee as soon as this truck is ready, this truck will be sold. Yes, sir. What's going on here? Another truck here. Man, we got trucks everywhere. Dodge Ram 2020, 2012 Ford F350, another 2018 F350. This one too, I'm selling this one too. This is 2010. This is gonna be 10 grand for this truck. Four-wheel drive, clean title, 4x4. Got another one here, guys. More trucks. Got a wreck truck with the 5.3. We're gonna do it. Some kind of LS swap or something, whatever they're gonna do on this bad boy. Another 2020 we're about to do. We just sold this truck, guys. It's a 2018 GMC Denali L5P. We built this for our papa. He wanted it. He wanted a Denali. He wanted a diesel. So there's this truck. Diesel. Let's go another one here. This is a GMC Denali for TSS Cruise. There's trucks everywhere. Let's go to the body shop. Let me take you out to the body shop. See what's going on at the body shop. Another motor we're doing right there. We just actually took this motor out. I got another GMC Denali right here. We're repairing this one. This will be ready here soon. Complete truck. I think it's a 16 GMC Denali L5P. Let's go ahead and get this truck ready. See what branch. The 2024 GMC AT4. We did a complete fuel system on this bad boy. The customer actually put DEF. We tried to save it, didn't get saved. They drove it like that, and got a new system on it. Getting ready to crank it up here soon, but we just finished doing the paint work on it because it has some damage on the bed. The bed has been redone. It looks slick. Check it out. Looks slick, guys. You can even see myself in there. But we do offer power coating. We're getting back to get it back going here. So if you need some power coating, we can do it. We got our machine here too. It's a nice one. What they're doing in here, another door, but we're getting there, guys. Check it out. This is Friday. It's part of the day. We're going. There goes the RV too. Getting ready to paint this. All kinds of stuff. There goes the bumper for a cat eye. There goes the bumper for the OBS. Got a G-Wagon right there. We're about to start working on it too. They're everywhere, guys. I'm telling you. So the lights, I'm believing we're gonna do. Open these up, color match them, paint them, border these out. Just do a little border, kind of change it up a little bit. I'm not too fan of a chrome, so I like it the inside we paint it. It looks good. We'll go ahead and do that. There's another truck they're doing. 96 F-150 complete Ford paint job. Trucks. Take you around here. Let's go check on the smart car, see if it's coming off. It's coming though. Ahí va, ¿no?
Ahí va.
Está feo. Este lado no está mucho.
¿Cómo?
Este lado no está mucho aquí. Es
No, tiene mucho tape pegado.
puro tape, ¿no?
Sí, pero me va saliendo.
Sí. Getting down, taking all these little stickers here. When it was Christmas, they had stickers all over it, so we're going ahead and redo it and get it all cleaned up. Guys, our street is jacked up, man. I'm telling you, our street is backed up. They're reworking the streets. There's some more trucks. There's trucks everywhere right now. Another truck. Oh, there's another smart car. Let's show you that smart car. Smart car. Another one. There's another little OBS. More trucks out here in the front. Here's Frank's GM's Chevy High Country. And they haven't really put those shows. Getting ready to start taking the shows here and there. We're working on the streets. They're tearing it up, man. The truck's gonna be dirty. There's Frank's truck right there. All chrome suspension, 30 by 30 by 16 American Forces actually. This paint is sick. So guys, we do offer financing. With Snap Financing, we do offer financing. We do carry JTX wheels, American Force. What else? Some of our dealers we mess with. Take your Scarface. I need to pull up to get some Scarface. Got a couple of our sponsors here, right here. JTX, Scarface, Fox, American Force, Cap King, Fast Fuel, BDS, King Shocks, Fusion Bumpers. Yeah, Snap-on's always a sponsor. They gave it to me. Couple of trophies moving on here and there. They're everywhere. Let's see. So we do offer financing with Snap and Acima. So if you're looking for something and don't have the money, we can get you financed. There's Snap Finance and SEMA. Couple of weld wheels, S&B intake here. Take a little bit around the shop. Couple of trophies here. Some more trophies. S&B intake requirement stock, guys. If you need an intake, there's a couple of merch. If y'all need some enchiladas, guys, we do have enchiladas here in Dallas. 1316 West Commerce. Make sure y'all pull up. Right now we got pepino, pickle, OG. Quite a few. Go over here. Just a couple of little merch areas. Go back to the back here. See what they're going on. Limited. Can-Am. Six-inch portals. Let's see how they're doing on this Coyote suspension.
Where are you laughing?
What happened?
He shoots 4K.
Shoots 4K?
Mm-hmm.
That's an Osmo Pocket.
It's better than Osmo.
That's Osmo Pocket.
It's an action,
Yeah, but that's
not a pocket Osmo. That's an Osmo Pocket.
Does remind you of your truck before?
Yeah. R.I.P.
R.I.P.
R.I.P. Stock.
I haven't seen you work since we started freaking filming earlier.
Huh?
What are you doing?
I gotta take these. We gotta get these Heim joints warranty because this truck been sitting for a big minute, and we gotta get these sent off so we can get beautiful new ones. Then we're gonna send this off to Sandblast to get it repowder coated. By yours truly.
Who's gonna power code it?
Yours truly.
Who?
It's G-Fab, Drew Munoz.
That a
That's
cruising?
what does it all. Huh? Oh yeah. You get real icy up in here.
Hi guys, so today's Friday. We're gonna go ahead and shut it down. It's a little bit what was going on here at the shop today. It's a little chilly, but guys, make sure you guys subscribe to Diesel Dallas. Hit that like button, hit that comment, and put what you want to see from us. Y'all want to see us pull an engine out of an engine, pull an engine out, put an engine in. What do y'all want to see us do? Transmissions. You want more vlogs of the shop, more vlogs of the guys? I don't know, whatever y'all want. Y'all let us know. But thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Diesel Dallas. Hit that button, subscribe, and make sure y'all start watching this because we're about to do a giveaway. It's gonna be a crazy, insane giveaway, guys. You know how we did a couple of them here last year, and they were insane. So guys, make sure you subscribe, hit that like, and have a blessed Friday. Happy Valentine's. Peace.